Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many iPhone users have been reporting that they are unable to turn off Do Not Disturb. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. First solution is turn off Do Not Disturb under Control Center. Swipe down from right side to open Control Center. Tap on half moon icon. Now Do Not Disturb will be turned off. Do not press it. If you tap on Do Not Disturb, you will get this screen. Here also, you can turn off Do Not Disturb. Second solution is Delete Schedule. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on Focus. Tap on Do Not Disturb. Tap on your schedule time. Tap on Delete Schedule. Again, tap on Delete Schedule to confirm. I have another one. I'm going to delete it. If you too have delete them or turn off schedule. Third solution is turn off on your device. To do this, launch Settings app, tap on General, scroll down to bottom, and tap on Shutdown. Drag the Slido power of Slido to turn off your device, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on by pressing hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new. This way, you'll stay updated with more videos like this in the future. Let us know in the comments section how that went. Thank you for watching.